Hello everyone, myself Janvi and I am from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2, Faridabad, Haryana. And today I am here with you to discuss about our chapter number 5, that is data handling of NCERT book for class 8th. And in this chapter we will today do about chance and probability. So I hope that you all know that what is a chance and what is the probability. Probability means if we will do anything. Okay, so if I have see this coin, okay, if I have this coin and if I have tossed, then what will be the probability that will come? So the probability that will come is, I think, hope it is tail or it is head. This is only the probability that will come. Okay, so now let us start this by our random experiments. Okay, so the first is tossing two coins. Okay, so if we will toss these two coins together, I have these two coins, and if I toss these two coins together, then what will be the probability that will come? So for doing this, what we will do, we will toss these two coins. Okay, and if I will toss these two coins, that what will be the probability that will come? So the probability that will come in the first case will be the both are head. Okay, so the probability in the first case that we will have is head in both. Okay, so in the second case it will be there that by in the probability there will be in the both coins. In the second case there will be tail in the both case, and in the both coin there will be tail. Okay, and what happened in the third probability? In the third probability, that in the first coin there will be head and in the second coins there will be tail. In the third case, what will be there? In the first coin there will be head and in the second coin there will be tail. What happened in the fourth case? In the fourth case, in the first coin there will be tail and in the second coin there will be head. So what are the probability in the fourth cases? So in the first case the both are of head, and in the second case they both will be tail. Okay, and in the third case one is of head and another is tail, and in the fourth case there will be tail and the second coin will be head. So this is the probability of the tossing two coins together. Okay, so now let us come to another topic, that will be spinning a wheel. Okay, so you have seen that in a fair, if you have went in the fair, so you have only see that there was a spinning wheel. Okay, and if you spin this, that there was so many gifts that you will see. Okay, so in this wheel there are only is kind of the fair wheel. Okay, and you can see so many alphabets like A, B, C, D and A, and A, these both are 1A. Okay, so what will be the probability that will come to this wheel if we spin it? So what will, if we spin this wheel, what will become? There will become A, B, C or D. Okay, these 2A are equal. We don't count these 2A together. We will count it together. We will not we will not separate this A. So what will be the probability that will come? The probability that will come is A, B, C and D. Okay, so these are the probability that will come in the spinning of the wheel. And what is the probability in the tossing of two coins? In the first case there will be head in the both coins, second case tail in the both coins, in the third case there will be head and tail. In one coin there will be head, in the second coin there will be tail, and in the fourth there will be tail in one coin and second coin is head. And if we spin a wheel, then we will find 4 probabilities that are A, B, C and D. Thank you.